Does the iPad Air allow split view? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next explanations and tutorials like this one. Well, the short answer is yes, the iPad Air does support the split view, but there are a few things to set up or to know about. For example, make sure you are running the latest version of the iPad OS by going to the Settings, General, and Software Update. And in there, I recommend getting the latest one, which is the iPadOS 26.0.1 currently. But then what you need to do is to check out the multitasking and gestures section within the settings. And you probably have your iPad set to the full screen apps only, but I want you to go to the windowed apps, right? And once you have the windowed apps like this, you can open up like a web browser or any kind of app, grab the handle from the bottom right corner, and you have a little small window. You can then go back to the home screen and repeat the same steps with another application where again you just grab the corner like that and you have two windows perhaps laying on the top of each other or in any orientation that you want, right? So you can see it kind of works well and you can have like two things running at the same time. However, if you want to get to the full screen split view where it's just like separated perfectly, there is the ability to do so by grabbing the window like that and then flicking it to the one side and grabbing the other and flicking it to the other side. And as you can see, we get this like nice split view, exactly full screen, and it's separated in the middle of the page. And you can also grab the little handle to readjust the position, right? So this is designed for the perfect split view. So let me know in the comments below if you made it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching and let me know your thoughts below. So thanks again, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.